last vehicle I am working on here at the dealership before I leave. I'm out. I'm leaving. I'm out of here. So let's pop the wheels off and let's get on with this, because I don't have much time. Yeah, they need it done by the end of today. It's already 4 o'clock. Still have to do an oil change on personal vehicle too. So yeah, let's do this. First things first, let's glove up, because I'm a weak mechanic and I don't like to get dirty. Y'all know how that goes. The cleaner you stay, the more professional you look. Sometimes we just can't avoid it though. Let's do it. First thing I want to know, are y'all busy? And are you mobile? Okay, if you're mobile, you're not in a shop, but are you mobile? Are you a dealer tech, or are you independent? Are y'all staying busy? And what neck of the woods are y'all? Question number one. So I'm gonna be asking questions throughout. Oh. Just to engage with y'all. So right now, I will be actually replacing both lower control arms. Got a little bit of gravy. Man, that's all I've done this week. Control arms. Right? No, I did struts the other day. I didn't even record that because they were such in a rush. They were trying to back out, so I had to hurry up and get them done. Sucks. Have any of y'all ever been out quoted by another shop? So we were underquoted. I don't even know how, because the damn job paid 5 hours. Like, it didn't even make sense unless they were damn near giving the struts away for free. Yeah, it was weird. Oh, almost knocked it down the camera. Ouch. Also, all right, up we go. I got both wheels off. Sway bar end links are out. Now, what I need to do is I need a head mount GoPro so that y'all could actually see this. I'm gonna pop the tie rod ends out, because that allows me to completely just move the strut assembly. Moss controls. What? Ugh. Come on, Carter. Carter. Lee. Carter. Oh, 19. Are y'all ready for the winter? Is it snowing where y'all at? Over here, it's a mixture of heat and the cold. Heat and the cold. Now, guys, I will have various links in this video. If y'all want to check them out, they will be in the description below. Feel free to take a look. They are Amazon affiliate links. If y'all can help me out, help support the creators. Because all this is working, what's it called? Because all this stuff is tied into each other. Now, we are 21s. Oh, gotta get the big boy hammer. Oh my. Oh. Use a pickle fork. That ain't gonna work. They're gonna tear up the ball joint. I mean, the boot. Oh my goodness, dude. That thing was in there. Whew. Anybody know the science behind that? Comment down below if you know why that works. And I know they make a special tool. Like that. I'm tired of buying tools, guys. Tired of buying tools. Especially in this economy. In this economy. Why did I do that? I didn't even take the other bushing bolt out. Oh. Oh. Another question. Favorite tool. What is y'all's favorite tool to use while wrenching? It don't have to be anything in specific. Oh my goodness. Why can't I? Oh, because I was on the wrong spot. That's solid. Come on. Come on. Just slip. Pop it out of place. That damn hose. Oh, it popped back in. Ah. Just don't understand why it's giving me a hard time. Never had issues right here. Oh, wrong size. I was trying to use a 19, and this is actually a 21. I left the bolt up there. Mayhew pry bars for the win. Always, always love these things. Spin around. Ow, I pinched my finger. Ow. Hey. Hey. Hey now. Hey now. Oh. Okay, there we go. Other side. Yeah, that really hurt. I really pinched myself. Yeah, what's y'all's favorite tool to use every single day? Like, ooh, the one tool y'all cannot live without. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop, pop. I don't understand why I do this to myself. I have to take a serious leak, but I hate just leaving in the middle of a job. Y'all do that too? I know it's not good. Oh, find it. Got it. We're gonna swing it. Come on now. Shit. It was being weird. Come on. Oh. This is just really messing me up. I have to go. Where's my nut? Yep, I gotta go. Oh, I'll be back. Alrighty, where was we? Oh, glove up. I really need to stop doing that to myself, man. Whew. It's like, man, you don't want to stop. I hate stopping in the middle of a job. Unless I have a good stopping point, which I mean, I did have a good stopping point when I got the control arms off. Make sure this thing is still connected. All right. Okay, reach up here, put that nut in. Oh. Okay, so special tool, guys. Control arm hook with a pry bar. It's literally teamwork makes the dream work right here. Ooh, got that in. Now, pops in like papitas. Papitas. Let's put in our nut. Now, I'm not gonna tighten all this down yet. I wait until I have the other side. I did that shit again. I did this to myself the other day. And I was like, no. I already had it tightened down and everything. Wait. There we go. It is humid. Hot and humid. Why? It's middle of November. It just doesn't make sense to me. But then again, we are in Texas. So nothing ever has to make sense there. Oh, I caught it. Now this angle should give y'all a little bit of a better view. Because y'all are more closer with a more gooder view. I can see a little bit more of what I'm doing. Tuck it in, tuck it in. Tuck it in, tuck it in. Now, again, we're gonna use the pry bar and control arm hook to get this in. Hook it on, slip the pry bar through, pry down. Just like that. Papitas. Come on. There we go. And it pops in place. Drop my nut. Then of course, anytime we do lower control arms, finish it up with an alignment, which oddly enough, a lot of companies don't even pay for alignments. Now this is extended warranty, guys. And I'm surprised extended warranty ain't sending the inspector out for this. Normally they do. Let's go on this side. Button her down there. God damn. I don't know why this side. Come on. Yo. Yeah.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you later, yeah, big truth. I keep a real good pace. Built a big house, damn, look at that place. Up in my mind, cause that's my space. House so big, full of positive things. And I can't be shook, cause I ain't no rook, man, I wrote the book. Now I teach how to cook them beats like, look, making things look good. I just want trophies, blacks with a whole goal if you know me. Gotta go record on the wall, look closely. Got that record all alone like lonely, I'm just sick of waiting cause I feel it's frustrating when I always put the hours in. But ain't nobody wanna recognize independence, it threatens their continent. So I chase that bag, trophies are dope but I'd rather have cash. Sitting in the bank cause I paid my tax. Living my life, my way, my path, I go. Move fast, move past anyone who ain't hitting full gas. Who that choose that hard work, that wins, true facts. I'ma go big, grind hard, throw a few jabs. Big hook next to the dome, knock her straight back down to the floor. Anyone in my way smacked, I don't take bad thoughts, no, I remove that. My team got good minds, I can prove that.
I got these dreams that I've been chasing. I've got some things I've been upgrading. No one can stop me from this craving. Chasing. I've got these dreams that I've been chasing.
Alright, all I got left is put the sway bar end links back on. You know, because I gotta reach way up there. I do not feel like messing with that. Or how do you call it? I do not feel like overreaching myself. So lower it down. Then I have to do the brake flush, so I'm not even gonna put the wheels back on. But guys, this will be the end of this video. If y'all could please like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm headed to Mississippi in the morning. Y'all probably already seen this, or I'm probably already back. I don't know, who knows. I'm gonna try to crank out a couple videos. Let's see what we get into over there. My first time being out of Texas since 2006, so it's crazy. But main objective is to go deliver that car. Yeah, deuces guys. Links down in the description. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn post notification bells on. Join the FMFAM because we are coming close to 60K members or 60K subscribers. And once we hit that 60K mark, giveaway. Hopefully before Christmas. All right, again, check these videos out right here. Subscribe right there. Links in the comments. Join the FMFAM. Deuce.
Chasing. I've got these dreams that I've been chasing.